So I was in Palestine for 5 weeks doing the refugee program. It's been an incredible experience here. I've learned so much, and I would really recommend anyone who wants to come here to learn more about Palestine and the West Bank and actually see and experience what happens.
I attended the Human Rights course at the Excellence Center. My experience was amazing. I was surrounded by really beautiful people, very welcoming, very interesting, and I got the chance to visit a refugee camp, a family in H2, visit the old city. It was overall a really meaningful experience.
So I followed the Human Rights program at the Excellence Center. My experience in general was extremely good. I got more than I bargained for, because I came here for, standing for what I believe in, and I actually ended up getting to be part of a family. And within the program, what I got to do was not only to get lessons in Arabic, but also to teach English to Palestinian kids. And besides that, getting visits almost every day in protest sites and Palestinian civil societies organizations. That was extremely enlightening to visit.
I always wanted to go to Palestine, so this time I took my chance because I had a few little time by myself without my kids. So I chose to come here because I found very good reviews about the center. I think that Hebron was the right choice for me to understand better the situation here, and I'm very happy with my choice.
It was a wonderful experience. The food here is amazing. I would say everyone should come here just to see that, and you meet some incredible people, but you do also learn a lot of horrific stories and hear a lot of really tough stories.
As an international, there's practically nothing to fear. At least as a white male international, but that's just speaking on my experience. I think the city of Al Kharir is really safe, and there will always be someone in the city to be helpful to you. So if that's holding you back, let it go.